My name is Shelty Alban, and this is 10,000 Days of Being Better. I did the reps. Finally. But then I got distracted at the end of the day. It's already 2 a.m. and just about to go to bed. I have no script. I don't know. I got distracted. It's very bad. I played League because of the event. All random ultra rapid fire. Doesn't make sense in the long run. Very bad. That's what I lack. The impulse control. That's what we're going to focus on. More. Focus on more. And by next week, we have start the project because it's becoming already a reality, which is the best. And yeah,